How do I prepare for a Department of Justice lawyer interview? Are you gearing up for an interview with the Department of Justice? This is an exciting opportunity, and preparation is key to making a great impression. Let's break down how to get ready for this important step in your legal career. First, it's essential to research the specific division of the Department of Justice you are applying to. Each division, whether it is the Criminal Division, Civil Rights Division, or Fraud Section, has its own focus and priorities. Understanding these will help you tailor your responses and show that you are a good fit for that particular area. Next, review your application materials. Highlight any relevant experience you have, such as clinical work, internships, externships, or pro bono projects. Make sure to connect your background to the division's focus. This will demonstrate your commitment and understanding of the work they do. The interview process is often multi-staged. It usually starts with an initial interview at the section level, followed by a final interview with senior officials like the section chief or assistant attorney general. Be prepared for a competitive environment, as many candidates may be vying for the same position. From a law school perspective, be ready to discuss your litigation experience. Talk about your courtroom responsibilities, trial advocacy, depositions, and witness interviews. If you have direct experience with criminal justice proceedings or government legal work, make sure to highlight that. Expect behavioral questions that assess your judgment and integrity. You might be asked how you handled difficult situations or ethical dilemmas. Think of specific examples from your past experiences that showcase your decision-making skills. Additionally, prepare for hypothetical questions. These will test your understanding of legal duties and ethical responsibilities. For example, you may be asked how you would handle a conflict between your duty to a client and your obligations as an officer of the court. Practice articulating your thought process in these scenarios. It's also important to demonstrate your knowledge of constitutional law principles relevant to the Department of Justice. Familiarize yourself with concepts like the Fourth Amendment, Brady obligations, and prosecutorial ethics. Your ability to think quickly and adapt to new information will likely be assessed through these questions. When discussing why you want to work for the Department of Justice, reflected on the agency's public service mission. Explain how your background and interests align with their goals. Be prepared to discuss your long-term career plans and how a position at the department fits into those plans. Finally, remember that attorneys at the Department of Justice hold positions of public trust. The hiring process includes a thorough background check, so be ready to answer questions about your character and professionalism. In summary, focus on gaining and articulating relevant litigation experience, understanding ethical and constitutional law principles, practicing responses to behavioral and hypothetical questions, and demonstrating your commitment to public service. This preparation will help you present yourself as a knowledgeable and motivated candidate ready to contribute to the Department of Justice.